Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting kitchen gadget that could change the way you cook, the Cuisinart AIR-200NAS, a versatile 6-quart air fryer with 5 cooking functions. We found this impressive product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Cuisinart AIR-200NAS? This air fryer is more than just a typical fryer. It's designed to offer you a multitude of cooking options, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. With a spacious 6-quart internal capacity, it can hold up to a 4-pound chicken, 2 pounds of fries, 3 pounds of wings, or even an 8-inch round cake pan. This means you can easily prepare meals for your family or friends without any hassle. One of the standout features of the Cuisinart air fryer is its 5 cooking functions. You can air fry, roast, bake, broil, and even keep your food warm all in one appliance. This versatility allows you to expand your culinary skills and try out new recipes with ease. Whether you're in the mood for crispy chicken wings or a perfectly baked cake, this air fryer can handle it all. Speaking of convenience, the Cuisinart AIR-200NAS is equipped with 5 air fry presets: French fries, wings, vegetables, frozen snacks, and leftovers. These presets make cooking quick and effortless, ensuring that you get your meals ready in no time. Just select the desired preset, and the air fryer does the rest, allowing you to focus on other tasks while your food cooks. When it comes to performance, this air fryer is no slouch. With 1,800 watts of power and adjustable temperature settings that go up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you can achieve that perfect crispiness without the need for excess oil. Plus, the automatic warming mode kicks in after cooking, so your food stays warm until you're ready to serve. Another fantastic feature is the precise controls, which include a toss reminder and a touchscreen digital display. The toss reminder alerts you when it's time to flip your food for even cooking and crisping. The large viewing window is a great addition, allowing you to monitor your food closely, so you can pull it out at just the right moment. So, who is the Cuisinart AIR-200NAS suitable for? If you're someone who loves to cook and experiment with different dishes, this air fryer is a perfect fit. It's ideal for busy families looking to prepare quick and healthy meals, as well as for individuals who want a versatile cooking solution without taking up too much space in the kitchen. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, this appliance can boost your kitchen game. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine hosting a game night with friends and whipping up a batch of crispy chicken wings using the air fry preset. Or perhaps you're meal prepping for the week and want to roast a whole chicken and some vegetables simultaneously. You could even bake a cake for dessert while keeping your sides warm in the air fryer. The possibilities are endless with this multifunctional device. In conclusion, the Cuisinart AIR-200NAS is a powerhouse in the kitchen that combines versatility, performance, and convenience. Whether you're air frying, roasting, or baking, this air fryer can help you prepare delicious meals with ease. If you're looking to elevate your cooking experience, this might just be the gadget you need. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.